Where did it go? Where did it go?
That one's stuck.
Just throw it. Throw it in. Just throw it in. Take the green thing now.
Hey, do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
Your turn.
Don't worry.
Open your mouth. Open your fucking mouth.
Are you kidding me?
Whatever, just open it. Open your mouth.
No way. No, you
Oh, food fat. Food fat. Uh-oh. Oh, and it's all on video. Oh. Can you get a quick look at the camera, please? Can you just look at the camera just one glance? This is why we don't go out to fine dining restaurants. What is that?
The strawberry in my armpit. In the armpit. Thank you.
I'm just gonna eat it. Oh, that was awesome.